Hi there, students. To annul, a verb, an annulment, the noun. Okay, let's see. If you annul a marriage or a contract or an election, you say that it's invalid, it doesn't count, and it's legally considered never to have existed. So it never happened. So if you annul an election, then it didn't happen in a legal sense. This verb to annul, an annulment, is very, very common for marriages. It's different from a divorce because a divorce means that the two people are separated and the marriage did exist. But an annulment means that the marriage legally never existed. It never happened. Yeah, it's to invalidate, to cancel, if you like. Okay, so the agreement was annulled. Okay, so to officially announce that a law or an agreement or a marriage no longer exists. So he got married again, but this marriage was annulled because he was actually still married to his first wife and had never actually divorced her. Okay, so to annul, an annulment, to make something invalid. The company went to court and finally the contract was annulled. Yeah. You need to go to court to get an annulment of a marriage. Okay. Okay, so the prisoner appealed against the sentence, but the court didn't annul the sentence, but said that it should be reviewed. Okay, he was declared bankrupt, but he didn't agree with this, and he went to court to get this bankruptcy annulled. Okay, so to say that something doesn't exist anymore, to make void or invalid, yeah, to bring to end the effect of something or the existence of something. Okay, so this is the idea of to annul. This is a fairly formal legal word. Yeah, I guess you could use this in a sort of formal literary sense. All my worries were annulled by the happiness I felt at the good news. Yeah, so to cancel, to countermand, to repeal, to rescind, yeah, to reverse, to overturn, to quash, to nullify, to make null and void. Okay, and this is the idea of to annul, to formally revoke the validity of something. Okay, to of a marriage, to dissolve the marriage, to separate the marriage on the grounds that it's not a valid marriage. So if somebody's already married and you get married to them, then you can get that marriage annulled. It never existed, or that's the idea of something, to render null and void, to nullify, yeah, to make null. Okay, and notice annulment. As to formality, this is a formal legal word. I think I'm going to give this 6.5 to 7 in formality. I think use it in a semi-formal writing or something above, and make sure you use it in the right sense. It's to officially declare that something is not valid and never existed. Yeah, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, I didn't actually do the origin. It comes from Latin annullo, to annihilate or to annul, from ad nullus, add to, and nullus, nothing, not any. So to nothing. Yeah, it makes something or it converts something to nothing. It never existed. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To Annul.